Hi, thank you for joining us today at JustCollect.com. Today we're going to open a pack of Garbage Pail Kids. These were issued in 1985 by Topps. This pack has been authenticated by Global. As you can see, the Global pack and sealant is there. Let's rip away. One of the more popular non-sport issues. Topps issued these to kind of mock products, people, etc. Pack starts out with a Rockin' Robert, J Decay, Graffiti Petey, Flat Pat, and Slicky Vicky. As you can see, these are numbered. There's a Series A and a Series B in the first series, and these are all the low numbers. Thanks for joining us, and remember that JustCollect.com is always buying vintage sports and non-sports cards from 1879 to 1979.